Hey Lyra Tech! Today we're looking at the DREAME X60 Max Ultra, a premium robot vacuum and mop packed with advanced features. Check the link in the description for the best price. This machine promises to handle all your floor cleaning, from powerful vacuuming to hot water mopping, with minimal effort on your part. The X60 Max Ultra is built for deep cleaning and smart navigation. With an impressive 35,000 pascals of suction and its enhanced duo brush, this dream tackles dirt and pet hair effectively. Its dual spinning mop pads use 104-degree Fahrenheit hot water and significant downward pressure to tackle even stubborn messes. Advanced AI cameras and proactive illumination allow it to map your home accurately and avoid obstacles with ease, even reaching. The X60 Max Ultra's ultra-thin 3.13-inch profile is a huge win for reaching hidden dust under low-clearance furniture. The X60 Max Ultra truly shines when it comes to raw cleaning power, and it's sophisticated. The dock handles nearly everything, but there are some connectivity and cost considerations. The 10-in-1 dock is a marvel, handling hot water mop washing, hot air drying, and 100 days of dust disposal. App-driven customization lets you fine-tune cleaning, set carpet modes, and even use voice commands for convenience. It only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, which is fine for most, but something to note, and it's built for USA use. At over $1,600, this is a seriously premium robot, making it a significant investment that will not be for everyone. The automation from the dock is incredible, but the high price tag and a specific Wi-Fi. Ultimately, the DREAME X60 Max Ultra is an incredibly capable and highly automated cleaning solution. If you want the absolute best in robotic floor care and are willing to pay a premium for all the convenience it offers, this dream flagship is hard to beat. Just be ready for the investment.